हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिस्ट्री बाय एसआरबी। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो 2022 के सिलेबस पैटर्न पर होगा। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर द राइज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप से। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर कि हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग फॉर्म द सीक्रेट सोसाइटी कॉल्ड यंग इटली। ऑप्शंस आर देयर ओटोमन बिस्मार्क, गिस्पी मेजनी, मेटरनिक, जॉन गॉटफ्राइड हर्डर, and the correct option will be option number B, Gispi Mazzini. Second question is that LA, the measuring unit in Germany, was used to measure options cloth, thread, land, height, and the correct option will be A, cloth. Third question is that Zollverein started in 1834 in Prussia refers to a option trade union, customs union, labor union, farmers union, and the correct option will be option number B, customs union. Fourth question will be what do the saints, angels and Christ symbolize in the utopian vision? Options A, equality among people, B, fraternity among nations, C, freedom of nations, and D, resentment against nations. The correct option will be option number B, that is fraternity among nations. Next question, who were Junkers? Option A, soldiers, B, large landowners, C, aristocracy, and D, weavers. And the correct option will be option number B, that is large landowners. Question number 6 is that which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Option A, Treaty of Constantinople 1832, B, Treaty of Vienna 1815, C, Treaty of Versailles 1871, and D, none of these. And the correct option will be A, Treaty of Constantinople 1832. Next question number 7, by which of the following treaties was the United Kingdom of Great Britain formed? Option number A, Treaty of Versailles, B, Act of Union, C, Treaty of Paris, and D, Treaty of Vienna. And the correct option will be option number B, that is Act of Union. Next question number 8, which of the following group of powers collectively defeated Napoleon? Option A, England, France, Italy, Russia. Option B, England, Austria, Spain, Russia. C, Austria, Prussia, Russia, Britain. D, Britain, Prussia, Russia, and Italy. And the correct option will be C, that is Austria, Prussia, Russia, and Britain. Now next question, question number 9, Romanticism refers to a option number A, cultural movement, B, religious movement, C, political movement, and D, literary movement. And the correct option will be option number A, cultural movement. Next question, question number 10 is that name the Austrian chancellor who hosted the Congress of Vienna. The correct answer is Duke Metternich. Next question is that the Civil Code of 1804 was known by which name? The correct answer will be Napoleonic Code. And now next question starts from chapter number 2, that is nationalism in India. So first question from this chapter is why did Gandhiji organize Satyagraha in 1917 in Kheda district of Gujarat? Option number A, to support the plantation workers, B, to protest against high revenue, C, to support the mill workers to fulfill their demands, number D, to demand loans for the farmers. And the correct option will be B, that is to protest against high revenue demand. Next question, why was Satyagraha organized in Champaran? Option number A, to oppose the British laws, B, to oppose the plantation system, C, to oppose high land revenue, and D, to protest against the oppressions of the mill workers. And the correct option will be option number B, that is to oppose the plantation system. Next question is that why was the Simon Commission sent to India? Option A, to look into the Indian constitutional matter and suggest reform, B, to choose members of Indian Council, C, to settle disputes between the government and the Congress leaders, D, to set up a government organization. And the correct option will be A, to look into the Indian constitutional matters and suggest reform. Next question is that why was Alluri Sitaram Raju well known? Option number A, he led the militant movement of tribal peasants in Andhra Pradesh. B, he led a peasants movement in Awadh. C, he led a Satyagraha movement in Bardoli. D, he set up an organization for the upliftment of the Dalits. And the correct option will be option number A, he led the militant movement of tribal peasants in Andhra Pradesh. Next question, why did General Dyer open fire on peaceful crowd in Jallianwala Bagh mark the most important factor? Option number A, to punish the Indians. B, to take revenge of breaking martial laws. C, to create a feeling of terror and awe in the minds of Indians. And D, to disperse the crowd. And the correct option will be C, to create a feeling of terror and awe in the minds of the Indians. Next question, question number 6. From this chapter, what kind of movement was launched by the tribal peasants of Gudem Hills in Andhra Pradesh? Option number A, Satyagraha movement. B, militant guerrilla movement. C, non-violent movement. And D, none of the above. And the correct option will be B, that is militant guerrilla movement. Question number 7 is that who among the following two leaders led the Khilafat movement? Option number A, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. B, Gandhiji and Sardar Patel. C, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Abdul Kalam Azad. D, Abul Kalam Azad and Jawaharlal Nehru. And the correct option will be A, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. Next question, why did Gandhiji withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Option number A, Gandhiji realized that people were losing interest in the movement. B, Gandhiji felt that the movement was turning violent in many places. C, some Congress leaders wanted to participate in election to provincial councils. D, some Congress leaders wanted more radical mass agitations. And the correct option will be B, Gandhiji felt that the movement was turning violent in many places. Now next question is that who were the Sanatanis? Option number A, Saints. B, Dalits. C, laborers. D, high caste Hindus. And the correct option will be option number D, that is high caste Hindus. Question number 10 from this chapter, the main problem with the Simon Commission was that option number A, it was an all British commission. B, it was formed in Britain. C, it was set up in response to the nationalist movement. D, it supported the Muslim League. And the correct option will be A, that is it was an all British commission. Next question, Hind Swaraj was written by A, Abul Kalam Azad. B, Mahatma Gandhi. C, Sardar Patel. D, Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct answer will be option number B, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, why did the Indians oppose the Rowlatt Act? Option number A, it introduced the salt law. B, it increased taxes on land. C, it gave the British the power to arrest and detain a person without a trial. And D, it put a ban on the Congress party. And the correct option will be C, it gave the British the power to arrest and detain a person without a trial. Next question, Gandhiji's march from Sabarmati to Dandi is known by which name? The correct answer will be Salt March. Next question, the Depressed Classes Association was formed by whom? And the correct option will be Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question is that who formed the Swaraj Party? And the correct answer will be Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. All of you, best of luck for your exam. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.